In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create teams in Monday.com. Whether you're new to Monday.com or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you can effortlessly organize your team for enhanced collaboration. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up your web browser and head over to the Monday.com website. Once you're there, you'll need to log in. If you're not already signed in, click on the login button, which is usually at the top right corner of the page. Monday.com makes it really convenient to sign in using your Google account. Simply select Google and choose your account from the list. This is a simple way to bypass entering emails and passwords, making your login process quick and secure. Moving on, once you're logged in and on your main Monday.com dashboard, direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll see your profile icon. Give that a click. This is your key to accessing personal settings and additional features, including team management. After clicking on your profile, a drop-down menu will appear. From here, you'll want to select Teams. It's where all the magic of organizing and managing your team's collaboration happens, centralizing resources and communications effectively. Next, look at the top left corner of the page where you'll see the option to create a new team. When you click on it, you're beginning the process of setting up a fresh team environment. This is a clean slate where you can gather your teammates together in one digital workspace. The following step is naming your team. Think about what name will best represent the purpose or group you're assembling. It's important because this name will be visible to all the team members and should be relevant and easily recognizable. Now, let's add some team members. You'll see an input area or list where you can type the names or emails of your colleagues. As you add them, they will receive invitations to join the team, enabling seamless collaboration on your Monday.com platform. Make sure you add everyone who needs to be part of this particular team to maintain effective communication. Finally, once you have named your team and added all necessary members, complete the process by clicking on Create. And there you have it. Your team is now set up and ready to tackle projects and share important updates directly through Monday.com. Remember, Monday.com provides a versatile platform to manage projects, so feel free to explore the features within your new team space, such as task allocations and progress tracking. I hope this guide made it straightforward for you to create a team in Monday.com. Thanks for tuning in, and feel free to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on optimizing your workflow.